Olaso taşı delek sama taşı delek
Taşidelek,
다시 delay.
taşidele,
Ashirak.
taşı delek. Okay. Ta inda. Nimala inda nimala ya. Nimala. Di kalire.
Die Kare,
Di.
die sagte Gare,
Beago. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
die ni Tradang Chikpamare,
Beago. Kuchiche. Ya nyurmala inda nyurmala. Di kalire.
La di uh dire
Ya bulapsun. Di.
dire
Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
di tang di datang cikpari
Beago. Kuchiche. Lasso lasso. Ta inda. En Claire la inda. En Claire la. En Claire la di kalire.
ratang, tra,
Beago. Di.
ka ratang, tra,
Beago. Di.
ta ratang, tra,
Di thang di. Dradang chikpa repe.
dradang chikpare,
Beago. Kuchiche. Lasso lasso. Okay. Ya sonja la inda. Sonja la. Di kalire.
di gare,
Di.
kare,
Beago. Ka. Di
ka,
kalire.
gare,
Di thang di dradang chikpa repe.
di tang di chipamare, tradang chipamare,
Beago. Lasso. Kuchiche. Ta inda. Yen hong la inda. Par di karere. Par di karere.
Party rugje.
Par di ra repe.
Mare. Party ra mare. Party rugje.
Beago. Lasso. Rigduk. Ya McGregor la inda. Par di look repe.
Re party lucre.
Dixon. Okay. Dixon. No. Okay. Okay. Tasa shapkyu su. Su thang khane. Inda. Ya di inda. Nikila yo mal kamachikwa. Jekla inda. Jekla. Jekla yuko. Jekla kong sure.
Kong Hakoma song.
You can say any name.
Okay. Kong Zoe. Right.
Kong kane.
Kong Pue. Right.
Beago penere. Beago lasso. Oh, yeah, Gabriella in the Gabriella. Kong sure. Gabriella yube.
Hakoma song.
Kari labna digire. Any name you can make up. Kong sure.
Kong Greg.
Ray.
Re.
Kong Khanere.
Kong Pönere.
Okay. Or if I ask you, Kong America ne repe.
Kong America Manere.
Kong America ne mare. You can-
Ne Mare.
Kong America ne re or Kong America ne mare. Okay?
Tenzin
Yes.
is Tibet P or B?
Bö mare pöre pö. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
There are many translation in English. They just write B. For example, you have heard Bardo. Bardo. It's not Bardo. It's Partho. Okay? When you read it, it's para par tha naro tho partho. Because English don't have that soft pa, they just write B, so we think is ba. Okay? But if you connect to the properly, you will have no problem. Okay? Penna, dire de. For example, pa naru po tha pö, pö. Okay? Pa naru bo tha bö, bö. When you call someone, then bö. Here, pö, Tibet. Agosuni. Plus. Okay? Lasu lasu. Tayinda.
Tenzin,
Yes.
what's B?
When you call someone, bö, that's the calling, böpa, call. Like when you call someone, Marcelo la, McGregor la, Tenzin la, like this. When you call from name, from mouth, that's the action is bö. Okay?
So it's a verb.
Sorry?
Is B a verb?
Yes, it's a verb, action word. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Like that. So, for example, just now I was telling you, pa ra par tha naru tho partho. You can see it's not bardo. There is no prefix or up on the head. Okay?
Tenzin La,
Yes.
why P and B seem so similar? No a single thing that I sharing. Why they're so similar in writing? What do you think? What's the reason they're so similar?
Can you please say again?
These two are very similar in writing.
Yes, yes.
Why? What's the reason for this? They don't share any features. Why they are so similar? What do you think?
I really don't understand the question. You mean why they are so similar?
Yes, they are so similar in writing. Just one prefix letter that distinguish one from another.
That's true.
What's the reason? Is there any root, common root for these two very different words? What's the reason?
I don't know why they are similar, but I think because of here the prefix that changes the sound pa to ba, right? So that's all I know. But I really don't know why they're similar. I'm sorry. I didn't have the answer.
And Tenzin, the word below is this bardo?
Yes,
Bardo realm.
yes, yes. It's not Bardo.
Yeah.
Now you know how to read it. It's
Yeah.
Partho, Partho,
Bardo.
Para Par, Tha Narutho, Partho. Right?
Tenzin, but why even when they pronounce it, even if it's suppose okay today now I know it's called Patso, but when they pronounce it and they talk to us and they explain to us, they teach us, they say Bardo. Why?
Good question.
That's true. Because I think it's a very like teachers in the religious teachers, they have profound knowledge in the religion and thing, but they when they in the monastery they don't focus totally on the grammatical structure of Tibetan letters, but they are very profound knowledge in the spiritual things. For this, you have to be study the Tibetan grammar properly. Yes, and yes,
I appreciate that and I understand fully that teachers who teach us, they are knowledgeable and they have the vast expanse of experience to teach us. And we learn from them. We really appreciate it. But the thing is that most of them do read, they can read Tibetan, okay? And when they can read it, so at least perhaps they could have explained to us that, okay, the word actually is this, but in general, because in English we cannot say like that, this meaning, so we say
okay.
Bardo.
I will tell you, if you tell the teacher, this is para parthanarato, he will not disagree it. He knows this.
Okay.
He is used to saying bardo, bardo. So it's like this, you know.
Okay.
They know this is, they know what's the real sound is, but they are used to their own accent, you know. They know both of them, but right now,
okay,
our here in the meeting, the new learners, until you know both of them, then you know you can say anything, bardo or partho. Till then, you have to know the detail. Okay, that's what I want to suggest. First, know the this one, and then you can say bardo. No problem, because you know the real sound also. And if you tell the gurus, is it partho? I'm sure they will not disagree it. Okay.
Lasso. Thank you. Kadise.
Yes, no problem, please. So I am very lucky that I got education from my father. My father is expert in Tibetan language, and his teacher and the Samdong Rinpoche in the Dharamsala, maybe you don't heard it. They both have a same teacher, and he always wake me up 5 o'clock, let me read the root letters of the grammar. I always read them, and then after a few weeks, he told me to don't look at the book. Then when I say it, I already memorize it. I didn't know, and then he taught me word by word. That's why I'm very grateful to my father giving me his knowledge in language to me. That's it. Lasso.
Yeah, and now we are grateful that we got you as our teacher for the basic learners to learn the right way. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I want to teach from the starting. I want to correctly. You will hear many accents in Tibetan people because of their different region and dialect, but they know the real accent too. They just cannot say it. That's the problem, okay? That's not a problem. I wouldn't say problem. That's the situation, I would say. Yes. Okay. So if you know both of them, if you know this, then later you can pronounce it as you like. Okay? Like this. Thank you. Inda. Yeah, Sonjala Inda, Sonjala. Sonjala. Tiloktham.
I'm sorry. I had no internet. I just came back
Yeah.
into the
No problem. Lasso. Rashidele. Let's practice reading here. Inda. Sonjala Tiloktham.
Ganaro
Gamare.
Ka. Sorry. Ka
Uh-huh.
Naro Ga
Mare
Na
Naro ko na kong. Okay?
Ka Naro Ko Na Kong.
Mm.
Kong Su Re.
That's it. I want you all to, you know how to say it. Now, how to write it is important. Okay? That's why. Everything together, we will grow. Kong Sure, Kong Tenzin Re, Kong Sure, Kong Michael Jackson Re, like this. Kong Sure, Kong Elon Musk Re. Okay? Like this. So Kong, we see third person. Okay? Kong Sure, Kong Sure. Okay. Now we have this. Okay? Yeah, Marcelo line the Dilotham.
Con canere.
Con canere. Con penere. Con America nere. Con Brazil nere. Con Ukraine nere. Con China nere. Con anything. Okay. Yeah. Double of song. Okay. Let's practice a little bit. Okay. In the Alona la in the Alona la Konsure.
Con Michael Jackson re.
Yeah, Kon Kanere.
Con I guess America nere.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's it. Yeah, in the Pemal Hamula in the Pemal Hamula. Konsure. Ale Pemal Hamula you samari Tarala in the
La Kong Sure, Kong Michael Jackson Ray.
Kong America ne repe.
Kong America Ray.
Kong America ne re.
Ne Ray.
Okay.
Kong America.
Okay. So. Yeah, Chogil Hamula in the Chogil Hamula. Kong Michael Jackson repe.
Kong Michael Jackson re.
Kong Kanere.
Kong American re.
America ne re. Last. Okay. Beavo. Sujiche. ラスラスを 다들 연홍라인다. 디 카레레, 디당 디 카레레.
Đi thang đi hâm hốc hâm khô rể.
함 말해, 함 말해. 함.
Ha hâm
함. 함.
hâm hâm
Touch the tongue on the back of front teeth and release it. Ham.
hâm
You can say la, la, la.
la
Mix
la
the la with the ha. La, la.
la
That's it.
lam khô
No, 빼고. 함콕. 무슨 야, 고치해서.
Then say la, sorry. So it's lam kok la, huh? Lam kok la.
Very 함콕, 함콕.
Lam kok. Okay. So not tham kok, lam kok. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. You just mix the la and ha together. Ha, like this. Then lamkok. Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah, 연홍라인다. lamkok di kane래.
hâm khô đi quế nền
베네래. McGregor 라인다. lamkok di kane래.
Bangkok the West ne re.
US 네래. 빼고. Okay. Marcelo 라인다. 디 당 디 가레래.
Dinangre.
디 나.
Dinare. Nare.
And nga di kanere.
Nadi pönere.
빼고 nga di penere 빼.
Mare. Nadi West nere.
빼고.
American nere. Maybe.
Okay. 다인다. N 클레르라인다. N 클레르라. 공수래.
하고마송.
You can say
Con. Okay. Con Wayne Ray.
con canere.
Con America Ray. Nere.
America nere. Okay. So.
Then say la, can I interrupt a little bit? When we say hako masang, it means don't understand. But if we say understand, what does he say?
Hakosong. That's it.
Hakosong. Okay. So masang is denial. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
That ma is the negative here. Okay.
So we say hakosong or hakosang.
Song, naro, ong, song.
Song. Okay. So thank you.
Does hakomasong also mean I don't know?
That's it. Okay. You can use at the situation as you like. It's very
flexible. Okay.
We have other words, but we can learn that later. No problem. Okay. Right now, this also works. We use this also. Very common one. Hakosong, hakomasong. Okay. That's it. Yeah, Nurmala and the Nurmala. Konsure.
Queen Elizabeth re.
Kong khane re.
UK ne re.
Oh, re, UK ne re. Okay. When you say repe, it's a question. Then I answer. Okay. Like this. Okay. Now we know kong sure, kong kanere, kong sure, kong pemare, kong kanere, kong americanere. Like this. Okay. We know this. Then you can say nga tenzin yin, nga pene yin. Like this. Or nga enclair yin. Like this. Or nga jake yin. Okay. Nga nga tenzin yin or re. You can write both, but yin is more common for, okay, for yourself. Nga tenzin yin. Nga pö ne yin. Okay. Nga jake yin. Nga UK ne yin. Nga Europe ne yin. Nga America ne yin. Nga Ukraine ne yin. Anything. Okay. Like this.
Tenzin La.
Yes.
Can you say again? I know you said it on Friday, but what's the difference between yin and re?
Actually, there is no difference. Okay, both are the same meaning. Well, if you go deep down in the Tibetan, it's not saying I am. It's saying I am like a. It's not claiming as English. Okay, that I know I am Tenzin. It's not like this. In Tibetan, when you say Nga Tenzin Yin, it means I am like a Tenzin. I am like a teacher. I am like a, but this is deeper meaning. Okay. But commonly you say I am Tenzin like this, translated as this. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But I'm just saying the deeper meaning, which is not useful knowledge in the common society, community. They don't say like this. They translate it like I am Tenzin, like this. Okay. But the deeper meaning, both are same. I am like a. What is the difference? You use yin more for the written, formal, like this, and in speaking, yin more for yourself. Okay. And re for other people. Okay.
Okay.
Like this. Meaning is same. That's it.
Could you introduce us to the new letter?
Yes. You mean
in Tenzin?
In the lesson, you mean?
Yeah, there's one new letter that we haven't learned yet. We hadn't learned yet in Tenzin.
Oh, that this
Yin.
one. That, yeah, we can come through it. No problem. Okay. No problem. We will come. Everything is like a properly timing. It will come. Okay. If you learn faster, there is no benefit. It will confuse you. Okay. That's it. Now today we learn Depo Yinpe. Okay. You can write down. Depo Yinpe. Oh, Depo Yinpe. Oh, Depo Yin. Like this. Depo inpe pha tha dengpo de pa naro po depo ya kiku yi na yin pa sa pe depo inpe. Okay, inpe depo inpe.
What's the meaning of it?
Depo, fine. Inpe is question. Fine, 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 fine. Like this. But in English, if I translate it, it's like, are you, how are you? It's like this. But that's not a direct translation. It's a localization. Okay. If I direct translate, fine, fine, like this. Are you fine? Okay. Depo yinpe.
Oh, yinpe.
No, depo yinpe. Depo.
Something like, are you okay? Something like that.
Yeah, that's a direct translation. In English, it's when I say depo yinpe in Tibetan, when I want to say this to English people, I will say, how are you? Like this, right? It's more polite. Are you fine? It's like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So
in Tibet, when you greet somebody, something like, then you say Depo Yinpe.
that's it. Depo yinpe. Hello. Trut, trut. Hello. Oh, oh. Sonjala. Depo yinpe. Like this.
Okay.
Then you say, oh, nga depo yin. Like this. Nga depo yin. Like this.
So Depo is then fine.
Ray. Depo yinpe. Depo yin. Like this. I don't know when I say depo mean. I never said it. Depo yinpe, depo yin, like this. For example, yeah, yen hong la in the. Hello, yen hong la. Depo yinpe.
Nga depo yin.
Ale, lasso, lasso, like this.
Is this Depo Yin Repe when you ask?
No, that's already question. Yin pe is already question.
Okay. I understood just that you said Repe when asking on the phone.
When asking, what did you say? I didn't.
No, I understood just now that you said on the phone Repe, but it was only Yinpe.
Oh, yinpe, yinpe. I said yinpe. Yes, because in the question, when I ask to the second person, I use yinpe. Okay? Because his answer will be always in question. But during statement, then you can say kong depo re, like this. Okay. Question, you say depo impe, like this.
Tenzin.
Yes.
Like you use mare for negative, you can use ma yin to say the negative form.
That's good, mayin. But I will write the more common min. Okay, this negative
min.
Okay.
Negative min.
But you are right. Mayin is also right, but that's not using nowadays. Okay, because min is faster and easier, so that's why.
So ma yin.
Yes. Mayin, we don't use it nowadays. So it's
Because I understood that depot is fine. And I expected it to be ma depot, not fine.
no. That's English. You are thinking from English perspective. Okay. You just say depot yin or depot min.
Min. Mhm.
Okay. Yin is min. Depot yin. Depot min. Depot yin. Depot min. Okay. Okay. Very easy question. Depot yin pe. Ma depot yin. Like this. Okay. Depot yin pe. Depot yin. Like this. Okay. Okay, let's practice. Jekla in the Jekla. Jekla kirang puri. Nga ama. Lo.
Ma lak de po yin pe.
That's it. Amalak. Lak
Amalak.
here is like a respect. Like yen hong la, en kred la, jek la, like that la. Okay? La, ka, sa, lak. Okay? That one. Can you younger in the younger? Jek la, younger.
Malak de po yin pe.
Ama depo yin. Like this. Ama depo
Okay.
yin. Or nga depo yin. Like this.
Nga depot yin.
Mhm.
What's the first?
Ama.
Ama.
Mhm.
Ama tempo yin.
Instead of na, you can say
Ama.
depo yin. If you say na, you don't
Tempo yin.
say okay?
Okay, tempo yin.
So here, oh,
So,
is like
so
just
pencil of the first line is O, O, ama, la, O, yin.
Oh, amala. Depo yin pe. Right?
Okay.
Amala, tempo yin.
Oh, the Tagasari, no meaning. It's like a gesture.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, it's just like when you're close to somebody and you're talking personally. Yeah.
Really? Oh, amala. Depo yin pe. Ama depo yin. Or na depo yin. Like this. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's write down some new common nouns. Okay. Yeah, in the cha, la, ka, lak, chalak. Okay. Chalak. Di chalak re. 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 Di chalak re.
What is chalak?
Re re. Di thangma chalak re.
What is the meaning of chalak?
Things. I just show you things.
Or different things. So
No, not different things, just things.
thing.
Okay. Di chalak re. Di
It's
chalak.
something like, what is this? It's something like, what is this?
Yes. Something like non-living things. Any non-living things you can say.
It's like object, right? Objects.
Yes. Sorry, you are right. My English is not that good.
Yeah, your English is good.
Chalak. Yes. I know I'm lacking in English. I speak English like Tibetan, but my here learners speak Tibetan like English. That's the problem. Misunderstanding. Yeah. Chalak. Agosuma. Chalak. Tadi sa dengpo se ma sa sem cha na chen sem chen. Agosuma. We did that. Animal.
Sentient being.
That's in the
Sentient being.
scripture. Buddhist scripture is sentient being. Literally means sem chen. Chen means having.
Chen means what?
Having. Have.
Having.
Whoever have sem is sentient. That's it. Okay. Sentient.
So and Sem is mind, ordinary mind. Huh?
Yeah, you can say mind. Some say spirit. Some say soul. Some say heart. Yeah, like that. Okay. Some say maybe consciousness. Sentient. Okay. The ma kiku mi hakosuma 7 billion mi Yoruba. Something la 7 billion mi yore. Okay. Then la shakyu lu sa lu de lu body Yoruba. Lu. So lure mik lure ma lure lakpa lure. These all are lu, right? Go lure. Okay.
Sorry, why did you say for me 7 billion? What is the 7 billion for?
Human being.
Or does it only say it's many?
Me. It's just human. Just human. Okay?
Human.
Yes, really.
Tenzin anlatıvayo. Çalak dan yoce. Chikparepe.
Chikpare.
Is it human or is people?
Really. Yoche inayang yoche the common mare. Chalak common way.
So what's the difference between these two? Chalak and yoje.
I would say generally no difference. One is more used in the society, community. Yoche is used very rarely. That's it. That's the difference. Okay? Maybe it used in some regions, you know. Okay. Tahakosuma. Chalak, karere, tep. Tep, chalak repe. Re, tep chalak re. Ra, me. Ra, semchen repe. Re, ra semchen re. Ama, mi repe. Re, re. Ama, mi re. So, so. Lu repe. Re, re. So, lu re. Okay. Then we have a bunch of words here. Go. Ma, kha, naro. Go. Go. Lu repe.
Pencil, I am a little confused, sir. When you say chalak and when you say,
Yes?
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Yes, I can hear you.
Hello. Yeah, I asked, you said, chalak, so I said, what is the difference between chalak and kure?
What is kure?
When you say di kure, right? What is this?
Oh, di
Karere.
karere, kare. Okay. What is this, Lamna? Di karere. Okay. Kurmare. Di karere. I will write down here. Okay. Di karere. Like this.
Yeah, di kare, yeah.
Yes. Then, yeah, you can say di tap re. Di glass re. The phone ray, the copper ray. We already learned this. The copper ray, like this. Okay.
Yeah, what I'm asking is, I know what is kare, but then we say chalak. So what is the difference between chalak and kare?
No, chalak is a noun. Kare is a question.
Okay, I
Chalak
see.
is noun, and what it means things or objects, any non-living object. Okay, chalak. What are these things? That things is chalak. These things, this is glass, all these things. This one, it's so chalak, chalak. Okay, anything, chalak, chalak.
Okay, I get it now. Thank you.
Yes, no problem. Some student may.
Iranla chalak mampoche drayo.
Peyapo, ngala chalak mangpo shedra yu. Peyapo. That's it. So some students may learn faster, some are a little bit slower. So we will be patient and let's go all together. Okay? Who has learned faster? Think it's a revision. Okay? That's it. Oh, las. Position. That's it. Tade. Ma, kha, naru, go. Go. Go karere. Go lure. It's a body. Body part. The lu. Entende? Tade. Sa natak na. Di na re di. Okay? Di na re. Sa kata ga naru go. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk tuk. Go. Tade. Ka. Okay? La ka lakpa. Lakpa. Yeah. Lakpa. Di lakpa re. Di lakpa re. Di thandi lakpa re. Like this.
Lakpa is hand, right?
Re re. Lakpa hen
Yeah.
re. Re re. Lakpa
Okay.
hen
Very,
re.
very. Okay.
Adi. Chocho. Chocho. Elder brother. Chocho. Mik. Mik. Ma kikumi ka mik. Pa shapkyu pu. Ma narumo pumo. Okay. Sa nar so. How goes ma? La shapkyu lu ka look. Look. How goes ma? Tha dengpo the pa tep. How goes ma? Tep. 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 Pa shapkyu pu. Pu. Dick Pure, Tenzin Pure, McGregor Pure, Anne Claire Pumure, Marcelo Pure, Togelhamo Pumure, Sonja Pumure, Wangmo Pumure, Ishe Pumure, Nurma Pumure, Alona Pumure, Gabriel Pure, like this, okay?
Nima Sura.
Nima?
Nima.
Nima Pure, Nima Pure. Then ka, ya, ka, yak, semchen re. Yak semchen re. Kapar, ka, pa, ra, par, kapar de. Di, kapar re. Okay. Pa, shapkyu pu, ka, shapkyu ku, puku. Puku chung chung. Kids. Puku. Ka, shapkyu ku, ra, khur. Chalak ve. Khur. Tent. Ka, nga, kang. Pa, kang pa. Home, house. Okay, any house. A, pa, shapkyu bu. Any insect. Chak. Achak. Sister. Elder sister. Okay. That's it. Then you put them into this category. Chalak repe. Semchen repe. Mi repe. Lu repe. Like this. Okay. Okay. So I think we will stop here today. Oh, no. We'll go a little bit. Tadi dua. Ka. Na. Ja. Ta. Tha. Na. Pa. Pa. Ma. A. Ya. Ra. La. Sa. Ha. Ah. Okay. Before we go to the new theme, I want all of us to to know how to write this and say this. You know how to say this. Di thang di dradang chikparepe. You all know how to say this, but I want you to know how to read it also. Okay, like a thaki gudi di thang di dradang chikpa repe. Di thang di dradang chikpa repe, like this. If you have difficulty reading, you can say chikpa repe, dradang chikpa repe, di thang di dradang chikpa repe, like this. You can build up, okay? And then we know how to say par di or di kharere. Now I want us to know how to read it also and write it also. Okay? Par di kharere. Par di look re. Okay? And then we know kong sure. Kong sure. Kong McGregor re. Kong khane re. Kong Irish ne re. Like this. We know how to say kong sure, kong khane re. So please, we have to know how to write also, read also. Okay? That's it. Then you know how to say nga McGregor yin, nga Irish ne yin, or nga Enclair yin, nga America ne yin. Nga Jake yin, nga Europe ne yin, England ne yin, anything. Okay. Nga yin hong yin, or nga Taiwan ne yin, anything. Singapore ne yin. Okay, like this. So we know how to say this already. I want us to know how to write it and read it. Okay, so that's it for today. Tashi Delek Tujiche, and we see you in the next lesson. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jemajeljong.
Jemajeljong Tujiche.